What was the effect on Northern troops who were in the South of seeing the slavery system?
Well, there were some Northern troops whose hostility to blacks, and it's important to remember that racism was not an attribute simply of the South. Racism was rampant throughout the United States as a whole. And so there are some Northern troops who go down and see what they expect to see, black people whom they despise and don't care about that. But a large number of Northerners who go down to fight the Civil War and who aren't especially pro-abolitionist, who aren't especially pro-slave, are appalled by the conditions in which they see slaves living, the scars they see on the backs of slaves, the hovels they see them living.
There's a famous picture of a guy with the striped scars across his back. You just can't believe it.
Right.
He's got no back, he's just got a bunch of scars.
And that's the reaction of the soldiers we're describing, of shock. You need to remember that Northern Democrats are assiduously promoting the South's version of the facts throughout the decades before the Civil War. No, it doesn't happen. You're exaggerating the whipping. Slaves are happy to be slaves. They're well treated. They're treated better than you are, they say to Northern wage earners.
Mudsills.
That's right. They have housing. They're not going to be laid off. They're not going to be unemployed. They're not going to starve. Unlike you, who might be without a job and might find yourself without food, they're well taken care of. And this argument is not simply spread in the South, it's spread in the North.
Right.
So that it's news to a large number of Northern soldiers that this is baloney. And it is shocking to see it up close. Yeah, and a number of them start telling their family members in their letters about their change of opinion. Yeah. And their determination to see this institution come to an end.
This excerpt is brought to you by the Massachusetts School of Law, the leader of reform in legal education and a leader in multimedia education for the public. To view the full interview and for a full listing of MSL's programs, log on to mslaw.edu.